Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if you could capture life's precious moments with unparalleled precision and speed? The Sony RX100 VII Premium Compact Camera is here to make that a reality. This powerhouse of a camera boasts a 20.1 MP 1.0 type stacked CMOS sensor, allowing for stunning image quality that's simply unbeatable. With its Zeiss Vario Sonnar T 24 to 200mm f2.8 f4.5 large aperture high magnification zoom lens, you'll feel like you're right in the action, with every texture and detail coming alive in your photos. Many customers have fallen in love with this camera, and it's easy to see why the Sony RX100 VII has received widespread acclaim for its exceptional performance. One of the standout features is its incredibly fast autofocus, which can acquire focus in as little as 0.02 seconds, making it ideal for capturing fleeting moments. The camera also features 357-point focal plane phase detection AF and 425-point contrast detection AF, giving you unparalleled flexibility and control over your shots. Whether you're shooting stills or movies, the Sony RX100 VII delivers, with up to 20 frames per second blackout-free shooting and real-time IAF for humans and animals. The camera's 4K video capabilities are equally impressive, with the ability to record in log3 and interval shooting, making it perfect for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The active mode image stabilization in 4K video recording ensures that your footage is always smooth and steady, even in the most chaotic of environments. With its microphone jack and vertical position data recording, you'll be able to capture high-quality audio to match your stunning visuals. Whether you're a professional photographer or just starting out, the Sony RX100 VII is the perfect tool to take your photography to the next level, and with its compact design, you can take it with you wherever you go. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.